Welcome. If you've ever marked a photo as a favorite on Dropbox's mobile app but now want to unmark it, you're in the right place. The process is straightforward and quick, so let me guide you through the updated steps to unmark a photo as a favorite on your Dropbox mobile app. First, open the Dropbox app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look at the bottom of your screen and tap the Photos tab. This will bring up all your photos stored in Dropbox. Next, at the top of the screen, you'll see an option labeled Starred. Tap on that, and you'll filter your view to show only the photos you've marked as favorites. This makes it easier to find the specific photo you want to unmark. Now, scroll through your starred photos and find the one you wish to unmark as a favorite. Tap on that photo to open it fully. At the top of the screen where the photo is displayed, you'll see a star icon. If the star is filled or highlighted, that means the photo is currently marked as a favorite. To unmark it, simply tap the star icon once. The star will no longer be filled, indicating the photo has been unmarked as a favorite. And that's it. You've successfully removed the favorite status from your photo. This will also remove it from your starred list, keeping your collection neat and organized. Using these simple steps will help you manage your favorite photos more effectively, especially if you ever need to update or reorganize your photo collection on Dropbox. Just remember, open the app. Go to Photos, tap Starred, select your photo, and tap the star to unmark it. Thanks for watching.